Video 2, Foundation of ChatGPT. First of all, let's discuss something about chatbots. Chatbots are computer programs designed to simulate conversation with human users, often through messaging applications, websites, or mobile apps. They are commonly used to provide information, handle customer service inquiries, or automate repetitive tasks. Chatbots, a brief history. The first chatbot was created in 1966 by Joseph Weizenbaum, a computer science professor at MIT. And it was named Eliza. The term, chatterbot, was coined by Michael Malden in 1994 when he created the first chatterbot program called Julia. Before moving on to ChatGPT, let's discuss the one who formulated ChatGPT, that is, OpenAI. What is OpenAI? OpenAI is a research organization dedicated to creating and promoting friendly AI that benefits humanity. It was founded in 2015 by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, Wojciech Zaremba, and John Schulman. OpenAI conducts cutting-edge research in various areas of AI, including machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing. What was the need to create ChatGPT? The goal was to create a model that can be used for various applications such as customer service, content generation, and language translation, among others. There were no major drawbacks of OpenAI, but the development of ChatGPT was to fill the gap for a specific need in the field of AI language modeling. What is ChatGPT? Chatbots are computer programs designed to simulate conversation with human users, often through messaging applications, websites, or mobile apps. ChatGPT is a type of conversational AI that uses the advanced language generation capabilities of GPT-3 to create more human-like and nuanced interactions with users. Concept behind introducing ChatGPT. The model was trained on a large corpus of text data from the internet and fine-tuned on specific tasks, such as answering questions or generating text, to improve its performance. It uses deep learning to generate responses in natural language to questions or prompts given by the user. ChatGPT AIM. ChatGPT is a conversational AI model based on transformer architecture. ChatGPT aims to provide human-like responses that are relevant and informative to the user's query. Launch details. ChatGPT was launched on November 30, 2022, by San Francisco-based OpenAI, the creator of DALL-E 2 and Whisper. The service was initially free to the public, with plans to monetize the service later. About the owner. OpenAI is the owner of the ChatGPT language model. Initial release, November 30, 2022. Type, chatbot. License, proprietary. Website, chat.openai.com. Uses of ChatGPT. Question answering, ChatGPT can answer questions based on its training data. Text generation, ChatGPT can generate text, such as creative writing, summaries, or prompt responses. Text classification, ChatGPT can be used for text classification tasks, such as sentiment analysis or spam detection. Language translation, ChatGPT can be used for language translation, generating text in one language from the text in another language. Text summarization, ChatGPT can automatically summarize long texts into shorter versions, preserving the most essential information. Dialogue systems, ChatGPT can be used in creating interactive systems that simulate human-like conversations. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.